Okay, this is the June 2012 paper for biology B1, question 7, foundation tier. This is about drugs. Scientists at a drug company developed a new pain-killing drug called drug X. Painkillers don't cure infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by microbes, so painkillers don't kill them. Painkillers just take the pain away. So painkillers do not kill. I'm going to use the word pathogens. That's quite a nice word to use. It means a bacterium or a virus that can damage you. But if you use the word microbes or microorganisms there, you would have got it just the same. Scientists compared drug X with two other pain-killing drugs, drug A and B. In their investigation, the scientists chose 600 volunteers. They were all in pain. 200 A, 200 B, 200 got X. Over the next 7 hours, they recorded how much pain they felt. To get valid results, the 3 groups should be matched for as many factors as possible. Suggest 2 of the factors that should be matched. Now, this is about keeping the experiment fair. If you don't have the same type of people taking the drugs, then it wouldn't be a fair test. So these are control variables. What could vary between the volunteers? Well, it could be their sex, it could be their age, it could be their general state of fitness, it could be the type of pain they're feeling, it could be the amount of pain they're feeling. Any of those would do. So I'm just going to put down sex and gender. But there's loads of marks you could get there. And I would, if I was going to go large on this, I'd say type of pain that they feel and the amount of pain that they feel. There's lots of things you could put down there to get those marks. The graph shows the results of the investigation. Okay, let's check out what the graph's got. It's got hours after taking the drug, and it's got the mean percentage decrease in pain. So if it's 0, it means the pain's just as bad, and if it's 100, it means they've lost all the pain. So this means feeling not very much pain, and this means down here the pain's come back. How much pain did the volunteer still feel 4 hours after taking drug A? Here's drug A, here's 4 hours. Okay, so we're at the 25% decrease, so they still feel 75% of the pain. You can imagine a lot of people put 25 for that answer, but they weren't asked what was the decrease, they just how much did it still feel. 7C part 2, give an advantage of taking drug A and not drug B. Well, look at the drug A. It rapidly relieves nearly 70% of the pain. So it acts more rapidly than drug B. Strictly speaking, I should say, drug A acts faster than drug B. Give 2 advantages of taking drug B and not drug A. Okay, well, if you look at drug B, first of all, it gives more pain relief. So 1 gives greater pain relief. Than drug A, because it goes higher up than drug A goes. And if you look at the line of it, it gives pain relief for longer. So drug B's pain relief lasts longer than drug A's. There's my 2 marks. Got it. Question 7. Drug X is much more expensive than both drug A and drug B. A pharmacist, that's the guy that gives out drugs at a chemist shop, a pharmacist, advised a customer it would be just as good to take drug A and drug B together instead of drug X. Do you agree with the pharmacist's advice? Yes or no, and give reasons for your answer. So I think it could be, now let's just check this, is it going to be, I'm going to get a mark for giving the answer yes. I don't think so. I think it's probably going to be 3 reasons. So what's a good reason for agreeing with the pharmacist? Well, drug A acts fast and drug B lasts for a long time. So you get the benefits of both drugs. So you can get, well, I should say yes, because rapid relief from drug A, and yes, because long-lasting relief from drug B. And also it's cheaper than drug X. Now you might have chosen to go the opposite way. You could have said, no, I don't agree. Why not? I don't agree because drug X will give you more relief overall anyway. There's my first reason. I don't agree because drug A and drug B may not work when they're taken together. So there's a second reason. And I don't agree because when you take them together they might have a side effect that you don't get with either one alone. Or you could say as well, if I'm taking 2 painkillers, that might be an overdose. So there's reasons why you could disagree as well. I've chosen to agree to get the 3 marks, and that's question 7.